This week on Archery 101, we're going to look at draw weight. Hey everybody, welcome to Archery 101. Greg here. If you watch my videos, you know I've done many tests on different things about the bow, fact and fiction, like does changing your brace height increase the speed? Does changing the brace height change the poundage? Right? Just trying to give you information so you can make the decision. And a lot of this for me comes down to the point of, does it really make a big difference for the ranges I shoot? My average range is 30 and under, and with 30 and under you can get away with a lot of stuff. And so all of these things, they might be true to a point, but they're not like a universal truth, all right? They don't always apply like people think they will. But the one I always wanted to test here was the old adage that a bow gains or loses 2 pounds in draw weight for every inch. Now, the best thing about this is it's not a myth, it is probably true, but everybody says the key word, a general rule, which means it can be different. So I'm going to test a couple bows, all right? And let's just see what we get. I don't know. We'll find out. Then we'll be able to decide on our own. And I probably much have to say, if you want to know if it's true on your bow, you're going to probably have to measure your own bow. Okay, everybody, how am I doing my testing? It's real simple. This is the rig I made to test the bows that I make for their poundage. I got a nice quality scale here. Got the brace, put the bow in here. Right here, this line is 28 inches. I got 26, 27, 28. I'm going to mark 29 and 30. And we'll do it each one and we'll record it and we'll see what we get. Right? So let's start the first bow. 26, 27, 28, 9, and 30. 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. One more time. 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. "26 inches, 27 inches, 28 inches, 29 inches, 30. 26, 27, 28, 29, and 30. 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. 26, 27, 28, 29, and 30. 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. 26, 27, 28, 29, and 30. Okay, everybody, testing is all done. And actually, something wasn't right, and I couldn't figure it out. So, broke out my Ben Pearson coat, which I know all the weights to for a factor because I actually tested it before on the automated one. So I knew what they were, and I brought it on. And what it is, my original readings, I had to redo them all. On my screen, with this being at an angle, I couldn't see the graduations on here that well, and they're by twos. So it's the 10 is a tick mark, and there's 4 small ones between the 10, 4 between the 10 and the 20. Now I was misreading it. So I had to redo all the tests, sat down in front of this thing, pulled it, didn't film it, and measured it over and over and over again. So the ones you've seen in the video were the ones where I misread it. That's just me. All right, so what did I get? 4 different bows, and I averaged them all out, okay? Because, you know, sometimes I don't pull as much, which is actually a great thing because it shows you the same thing about us shooting a bow. But for the javelina, at 26 inches, it's a 30-pound bow. At 27, it was a 33-pound bow, 3 pounds. At 28, it was a 34-pound bow. 29 was a 36, and at 30, it was a 38-pound bow. So that's almost exactly according to the general rule. For the black hunter, perfectly on the general rule. At 26, it was 26 inches. At 27, it was 28. At 28, it was 30. At 29, it was 32. At 30, it was 34. Exactly on the rule, which is pretty cool. The Mustang, that was a real interesting one because this baby, pulling it, it was just really hard to pull. So at 26, it was 45. At 27, it was 46. At 28, it was 48. At 29, it was 51. And at 30, it was 52. Now, I think the odd difference in numbers, just me, but it may not be, but they all within that range. They're really close. And finally, my coat, which I know are accurate. Right? 26 is 34 pounds. 27 is 36. 28 is 38. That's been rated at. At 29, it's 40. And at 30 inches, it's 42. So there you have it. You know what? Everything followed really close to it. And as they say, it's a great general rule. And the part I was curious about is before and afters, if that same rule applies. And measuring 2 inches before and 2 inches past, it seems to apply. So now, if you got your bow, if you don't want to test it, it'll give you a little better idea of what your range is. So that 2 pounds per inch, 2 pounds of weight per inch, if I could say that right, would really help. That general rule is pretty true. All right, there you have it. Another neat little test. Learned something new today. I found out that general rule is true. I've always thought it was. So I didn't have a problem with it. Never thought about testing it, but all these others got me thinking about it. All right, boys and girls, I hope they gave you a little bit more to work with. Now maybe you can go on and apply it to what you're doing. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. And I'll see you next time with an all-new episode of Archery 101.